this bad boy changed out. Actually, I'm gonna pull up over there, and then if I need some light, we'll reposition the Jeep. Well, I do need to talk. Go get you some bucked up. This is giving me some energy here. Change out the tire.
How come you're taking the front tire off?
Well, I've always heard put the smaller tire on the front because of the gear ratio in the rear end spinning all the time. However, I got thinking, and we're gonna put it on the front, but we might need 4 low to get down the hill over there. And I might need no, it dried out enough. I can get up that hill in 2-wheel drive. But anyways, just to save on my brakes going downhill, I'd like to have 4 low, but I don't have hubs, so I can't put it into 4 low without engaging the 4-wheel drive. But it's got open diffs, so I don't know if that's gonna hurt my gearing or not. So we're gonna try it without it. Obviously, if things get buck wild, we'll maybe stop and put it in 4 low, but I think we should be okay without it. But always put your smaller tire on the front and then put it in 2-wheel drive, and then you're not gonna mess up your gears or whatever. So if you're smart like that and you actually know, comment down below. Let me know. Because I don't know. And this is the tire we're putting on here. Hopefully it fits, but it's gonna be pretty funny looking coming down the road. Oh, son of a bitch. God damn it.
And you're sure this one on the Jeep won't fit?
Positive. So, shit. I hope this doesn't screw up my rear end here, but I'm gonna have to put it on the rear. It ain't fitting on the front.
Why is it gonna fit on the rear and not the front?
Because I've got hubs.
Oh, and it won't fit over the center?
It won't fit around the hub.
Is it gonna fit over the one on the back? Are they the same?
Those are just caps.
Oh.
Dang it.
At least we're not really that far from home.
Yeah, we're not too far, but oh well.
Wow.
Yeah.
You did a number on that.
I think we can go put some air in it. Should be alright. Somebody grip on the mountain over there. I think that's a land canyon. So, I guess we're just gonna have to try it.
The only alternative is to leave it sitting here overnight.
Alright folks, we've got an issue here. We can't put it on the front, it won't fit. So hopefully with the open diffs, we're gonna go slow. Hopefully that don't ruin anything. Makes me nervous, but I've always heard to not do that. You could ruin something, but we're definitely not going, 50 down the road. We're just gonna be going slow. So Wish us luck. Alright folks, I know you can't see me very good, but this rear tire we got on here is kind of low, so hopefully makes it out of here. But we're going slow and steady. I'm hitting rocks I can't really see, so I think I got a short in here. It's making my lights flicker and my radio go off, but I think that's from earlier when we were driving. I didn't have the battery. I never checked the battery on this. I didn't really secure it, but the battery is well, it fell over a little bit and kind of hit something. So anyways, unless I run into any problems, this will probably be it as far as the video goes. Like I said, I'm just gonna drive it kind of slow. I'm just listening for some noises, making sure my drive line things aren't gonna screw up. So I don't like this, but it's one of our only options out of here for right now. I don't want to leave it overnight. I hear too many stories of people coming up and stealing your stuff off of there and damaging it. And honestly, I'd rather buy a new axle than have somebody, you know, break the glass or just do things they shouldn't to this thing. So anyways, if anything exciting happens, we'll keep filming, but this might be the end of the video. So smile every day. I'm still kind of smiling. I mean, yeah, sure, it happens, but I'm thankful we're able to get this out of here. So yeah. All right folks, check this out. I know you can't see me very good, but so far we made it off the mountain. We're driving it really slow. Haven't really had any problems. Knock on wood, we're good. I'm really driving slow. Like, I don't know if you can see, but I'm really driving slow. So we got the Jeep following us back there, and we are, yep, I think we'll make it home and start looking for some boggers.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way